If you or someone you love needs a mobility setup that adapts to the day, this 4-in-1 electric wheelchair from Sinceborn is built for that. This thing switches from 4 modes: use it as a walker, use it as a push wheelchair, use it as a self-propelled electric chair with the joystick, or use a power assisted mode when you want to help without going full electric. The first thing you notice is the seat. It feels comfortable and supportive, not a thin temporary chair. The second thing is the flexibility. The seat rotates so you can position it forward for a walker style support, or rotate it back when you want to sit and be pushed or drive. When you want to drive, the joystick is simple and responsive. You get 5 adjustable speed levels so you can crawl into tight spaces or move faster when you have room. It feels controlled, not jerky. Assist mode is a game changer if you're pushing a wheelchair. As you walk, the chair automatically helps you push, so it feels smooth and effortless instead of heavy. This is great for elderly couples or caregivers pushing each other. And if you need extra help, there's a turbo button right on the side. One press gives you instant power for hills or ramps. Simple and easy. Resistance mode is perfect when you're using this as a walker or for physical therapy. It adds controlled resistance while you walk to help build strength. Level 1 gives you the most resistance, level 3 is the least. And if you're tired, you can sit down or drive yourself back using the joystick. Power wise, it uses 600 watt magnesium alloy rear-wheel brushless motors. Range is rated up to 15.6 miles, so it is designed for real errands and longer outings, not only short trips. It also has a lot of built-in safety features, and the size is compact, so it turns and fits through tighter areas better than you would expect. This weighs 39 pounds, including the battery, so it stays lightweight for what it is, and the design keeps the wiring looking clean. There's a built-in storage where the battery lives, and you have 2 ways to charge it. Charge it from the front port and charge it through the battery. This is a strong option if you're doing physical therapy and your day changes. Walk when you can, sit when you need, get power assisted when you're tired, drive it when you want full independence. If you want comfort, reliability, and a mobility chair that adapts without drama, this makes a lot of sense. Born from real day-to-day needs. This is Sinceborn.